Hello everyone, this is Kirti Nahar, Assistant Professor, Department of CSIT, Kalinga University, Naya Raipur. It is my immense pleasure to invite you to the 45 days internship program offered by Kalinga University, Naya Raipur. The CS department is providing various job critical skills like big data and Hadoop network, which is very helpful in handling the various services. Big data is basically divided into 8 modules. Each module consists of creating and implementing algorithms which are useful. In these 8 modules, you are basically going to know what is big data, what are the technologies that are enabled by big data, what is the relationship between big data and analytics, what is MongoDB and MapReduce, the various. Also, you are going to get an understanding of Hive architecture, peak technology, and lastly, how a big data is connected to our learning.